Hey everybody, this is Tom from the Small Scale Life podcast, smallscalelife.com, and of course, the Small Scale Life YouTube channel. Doing a little project today back here in the garden. Welcome back to my garden. And it's starting to rain, so we're not going to make this a very long one, but I wanted to tell you what we're doing this weekend. One, we're doing a great soil test, and we're going to be building that into a soil mix guide to help you so you know what to plant in your garden this year. We'll test some different soils, but then I've got another second little project, and I'll show you this right here. This might look like an ordinary, everyday, 5-gallon bucket, but it's not, ladies and gentlemen. This, it's a magic trick. I'm going to make this into a wicking container, and it's a really cheap, fast, and easy project. We're going to use a couple materials here and make something that you can use no matter where you are, whether you have a yard or whether you're in a townhouse, condo, or an apartment. You can grow food wherever you're at as long as you provide water, nutrients, and light. So we got a couple materials here. Found this out on the road, believe it or not, and we can make a wicking bed, a wicking container using these materials. So appreciate you checking in. We'll be back this weekend. We'll show you how this is done. We'll have a video and a post on Small Scale Life, Small Scale Gardening. Let me know if you want one of these. I think it'd be kind of cool to have one, don't you? Other than that, I did see a comment from Small Scale Life, a member of the community said that I look like Seth Rogen. Do you think? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm clearly better. Anyway, we'll talk to you soon. This is Tom. Remember to learn, do, grow, be a little better every day. We'll talk to you real soon, and we'll turn this into a very cool wicking container, and you can do it too. All right, talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.